everyone. Happy you stopped by. In this published video, 60 divided by 2 gives us 30. And here we have 10 divided by 5, which equals 2. So 30 divided by 2 is just 15. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it's wrong. So first we have to do this division. 60 divided by 2 gives us 30. So 30 divided by 10 divided by 5. And now we have to do this division. 30 divided by 10 is just 3. So 3 divided by 5 can be written as 3 over 5. This is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Join the fun by liking and subscribing.